Welcome, I'm Mark Bridge with the Bridge Multifamily team at Cushman & Wakefield, and I'm here at our new 7-unit listing at 5781 Western Avenue in the city of Buena Park. Beside having some nice curb appeal and being a well-kept asset, this property has some great attributes. It has an excellent unit mix of 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse-style units and 3-bedroom, 2-bath flats. Each unit has washer-dryer hookups, dishwashers, central air conditioning, fire sprinklers, either a patio or balcony, and garage parking. The property is gated, remote control car and pedestrian access, concrete parking surfaces, pitched composition shingle roofs, newer double pane vinyl windows, and is separately metered for gas and electric, and was built in 1988. This is a desirable location in Buena Park, in between Cerritos and Fullerton, close to Los Coyotes Country Club, Buena Park High School, and the Source Shopping Center. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit our website at www.teambridgegroup.com.